In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can use affiliate marketing to promote a product and earn money month after month after month. I'm going to show you everything, what the product is, how you're going to promote, and don't worry, I'm going to show you where the buyers are. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. And at the time recording this video, this strategy is something that is working worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you guys are from. As long as you decide to take action, you can implement this. Okay, so now let me show you everything. Let me go here to my computer just to make sure that we are going to be on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they're using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, so we're going to go with Repurpose, repurpose.io. This is actually a great tool, guys, that is really helpful for content creators, okay? I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have, everything, to reach in a couple of clicks. Okay, so if there is someone who have a podcast, who is a TikToker, who is a YouTuber, who is trying to grow their following on Instagram and any other platform, they definitely need to use repurpose.io. What repurpose.io do is that they're an automatic tool in which literally the person is going to be uploading the content and this AI tool is going to be sending it to all the social networks with a single click. So people are going to be saving a lot of time and they don't have to be dealing and overthinking about how they're going to be doing this, how they're going to be omnipresent, which just means that on every single platform, literally one post, multiple platforms, they're going to be doing all the heavy lifting. So this is a tool that, again, content creators are going to need. One cool thing is that people can start with a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. So that means that, hey, there is, there is no reason why people are not going to test it as long as you are showing this to the right audience. Okay, so as you can see at the time recording this video, they have already been trusted by 95,000 content creators, personal brands, social media managers, and digital marketers. Okay, some of these guys featured them. So this is a great tool. Literally, you're going to create once, you're going to hit publish, and this is something that you actually do just one time automatically. The content is going to be everywhere, okay? Quickly build your omnipresence by repurposing your content directly from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Zoom, Google Drive, Dropbox, even audio podcast, okay? You can publish it or schedule directly from the social networks that I mentioned. And boom, they're going to be all over your social networks. Okay, here you can see some testimonials. Don't worry, you don't need to buy this. I'm going to leave the link below so you can create your account. Okay, so now what you're going to be doing, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click here where it says affiliate. Affiliate marketing is basically a business model in which you do not need to create your own product or your own service. You're going to be promoting other people's products. And one cool thing about Repurpose.io is that you're going to be earning money, but this time it's going to be 25% recurring commission. So that means that as long as they're using these, you're going to be earning money month after month after month after month. Now you will need to click here where it says you don't have an account and you can create one for free. Don't worry, you don't need something crazy in order to have your repurpose.io account. You can join with Google or you can join with an email address. Okay. And this is how it's actually going to look like when you log in. Okay. I'm here on the affiliate area. Okay. One cool thing is that you need to configure your payment method. By the time recording this video, the payment method, it's PayPal. Okay. So you have a PayPal account. You just need to fill out the payout here. And this are your links. Diana, why do you tell me that are? I just see one because if you click here, you're going to see that depending on who you are reaching, okay? Depending on who you are reaching, you are actually going to have different links. For example, this one is for YouTubers. This one is for people who do audio podcasts, okay? And this is the link that you are going to be sharing, okay? So now we have a tool that and a specific group of people it's willing to pay. And most importantly, it's that the tool is going to be paying us month after month after month after month. So if we get one customer per month, you're going to have 12 customers, okay, that are going to be paying you by the end of the year. If you do two, you're going to double that amount, which is going to be 24. And remember, there is a low entry barrier because there is a 14-day free trial and there is no credit card required, okay, which is actually really, really amazing. So now with that said, we have different ways in which we can promote this, okay? We have different ways in which we can promote this. I'm going to go with what I consider the easiest one, which is repurposing the long form on YouTube videos, okay? I'm going to be reaching YouTubers. The reason why I'm going to be reaching YouTubers is because if you are in this platform, that means that you are here for the long run. Okay, this is a channel and this is just for this is just an example, okay? But if you go here where it says the about page, you are going to have the opportunity to reach them via email. Okay, there are channels and there are channels, okay? I want you to take that into consideration. My recommendation, guys, do not go with really big channels, okay? Those who have like, 1 million subscribers, 10 million subscribers, hey, don't go with that, okay? They already have a system in place, okay? My suggestion, go with those who have 10K to 50K subscribers, okay? It can be below, but it actually depends on the niche, okay? Because every single niche is different, okay? For example, if you're gonna go in do a search on channels who are, making jokes, okay? As an example, those channels do not earn as much money as those who are on the finance industry, okay? If you're going to go to the finance industry, yeah, you can find channels who are really profitable and they don't have even 10,000 subscribers. So depending on your niche, but this is actually like a rough number on average, because if they're not making any money, they're not going to be willing to invest on these tools, okay? And what we want is actually potential customers. Now, you have the tool, it's great. It has a low entry barrier and you know which is the people that you actually need to target, okay? So now I'm pretty sure that you're like, Diana, okay, how do I contact them? What should I say? I'm not 100% sure. This is my very first time. Okay, first of all, open a separate email address, okay, that you know that you're going to be using for your business, okay? So it's not going to be mixed information that you're going to get with your personal email address, okay? Just open a separate email address. This is just my personal recommendation, okay? And then you're going to go and you're going to be using an amazing tool that is called Chat GPT. Okay. Here in Chat GPT, I asked the tool like, hey, I want you to write me an email so I can invite people to use repurpose.io. Okay. And here, this is the result, the subject, introducing repurpose.io, the ultimate tool to repurpose your content. Maybe I don't want to let them know right away that it's repurpose.io. So I can delete this and I can leave this subject, the ultimate tool to repurpose your content. They're going to be, well, like, wow, okay, what is that? I'm a content creator. How can I do that? Okay, so I have here, dear recipient, I am writing to introduce you to repurpose.io. Maybe again, I can omit this. Maybe I'm writing to introduce you to the ultimate tool to repurpose your content, okay? The powerful tool that will help you repurpose your content and generate out blah, 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 and all the stuff. So here I do have some features and all the stuff. So as you can see, this is actually a really great email that I can use. And the only thing that I did is literally I access ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT, okay, I want you to write me an email, you know, so I can introduce people to repurpose.io. Boom, it did the magic. Okay, so there is no excuses, guys. You just need to be consistent by applying this strategy. But if you want to learn how you can do this in a professional way, in which you don't need to be knocking doors, but actually you're going to be attracting people who are going to be interested in what you have to offer, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description, and I'm going to be leaving it on the comment areas as well. So you can learn this for free, okay? There is 100% free course. So if you're really serious about this, click the very first link in the description, okay? If you also have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys, again, to miss a video. I see you on the next video.